guys, welcome back. I'm so excited you're tuning in today. Cheers. I have my coffee, still sipping on it. I'm not done. It takes me forever to just sip my coffee and drink my coffee, but I'm in my home office. Welcome to my home office. This is what we call the Miami room. You probably saw it in my office tour review, and if you haven't, you must check it out. But pretty excited about today's topic because I've been pretty passionate about this for the past few months. Ever since we went into quarantine and lockdown, we all our lives were quickly interrupted, and we all had to kind of work from home and homeschool the kids, and it was a little bit wild. And I quickly realized that getting dressed in the mornings was something that I needed to do. It was a must for me as a mom, as somebody that worked from home. It kind of set the tone for the day. I noticed that if I stayed in my pajamas, my mood was different, I would feel different. So I started to put some light makeup on and find outfits that were comfortable, that allow me to multitask. And it wasn't about the garments that I wore, and it wasn't about what I was wearing. It's just about how it made me feel. It made me feel better. I read a couple articles that talked about how working from home really improves your mood, improves your routine for the day. It brings a sense of normality to your day. You know, everything is kind of out of our control right now, but getting dressed and kind of working from home just really helps you to feel somewhat normal. It also sets boundaries between home life and work life. It kind of lets your family know you're still in that work mode or work life. So it really helps kind of like saying, okay, I'm working from 9 to 5, not working all day, not overworking either. So, but I have a little checklist that I look for whenever I am picking an outfit. That's what I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to share with you what I look for whenever I am getting dressed in the mornings. I look for elastic waistbands and comfortable clothing, and pretty much like lightweight fabrics and breathable fabrics. That is kind of key when getting dressed in the mornings. So I want to show you a few outfits that I've worn, that I have in my closet, that you can recreate. Just give you a few tips on how to pretty much kind of create maybe like a little outfit capsule that you can these are your outfits that you constantly rotate, and these are the outfits that you work from home. And as a mom, you have to multitask, and you have to jump on a Zoom call, or you have to homeschool, or you have to attend to your 1-year-old, whatever the case is. That's the case for me. And I have to kind of shift gears and really find outfits that I look presentable, that I don't look like I have to run and put on some makeup, and just kind of set the tone for the day. So come on, let's get to work.
Okay, to start off, I am showing you what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this silk skirt from Topshop. It has an elastic waistband, which is one of the number one things that I look for when getting dressed in the morning. I paired it with this t-shirt from Zara, and it makes it fun and easy for a casual outfit. Here I'm wearing a boxy top from silk top from Forever 21 with these joggers from Urban Outfitters. I like to do a little knot, as you can tell, on all of my t-shirts and even button downs. It just accentuates my waist, especially after having a kid a year ago. I want to always look skinnier than what I really am. But once again, these pants are super comfortable. Elastic waistband is a must when getting dressed in the mornings. Here I am wearing this sweatshirt from Forever 21. It's a kind of like a turtleneck sweatshirt for those days that it's like maybe cloudy and just a little cold in my house. I'm always cold. I'm wearing it with these wide leg pants that are extremely breathable and lightweight. They're from Zara, and they're so comfortable. Feels like I'm wearing pajamas. That is always key, looking for lightweight fabrics. Here I am wearing these cargo pants. They have an elastic waistband in the back, which makes it extremely comfortable. Paired it with this crop top white t-shirt, and easy outfit that you can run out the door if you need to run to an errand, or you can jump on a Zoom call, or you can still go outside and play with your kids if you need to do. Here, there's days that I don't feel like really getting dressed, I'm a little under the weather, or maybe it's that time of the month. We all know what that time is. Sometimes I like to wear these little loungewear comfy sets. This one's from Aerie. I like to wear color on color monochromatic look. This little sweatshirt makes it really feminine with the little openings on the side, and still I look presentable, cute, and comfy all at the same time. Here is my favorite black joggers from Zara. These are like my go-to. They have really comfortable pockets. You see they have an elastic at the bottom. That's what makes it a jogger. When it has like a little elastic band at the bottom by the ankle. I put a little tank top under, and I paired it with this Forever 21 oversized button down. Breathable, as you can tell, is like a little bit see-through, which makes it super lightweight, easy to kind of just play with your kids if you need to, or if you need to get on a phone call, Zoom call. And you look presentable, you look good, you look cute. So these are just some of my favorite outfits that have been on rotation, that I actually wear on a weekly basis. So hope you liked all the outfits. Thanks so much for watching. Like this video and subscribe.